Hey guys, this is how to fix PNC Bank app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first, just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the app application. And after that, just simply tap on the app. And from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app and you should be able to see here the update button. And now just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now guys, another solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply find the PNC application over here. And after that, just simply tap on it and go for the storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom. You should be able to fix it. But if you still have issues, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and from there you should be able to fix it. Now another solution, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. See ya.